Hi everyone, it's Jenny from Java Jen Creations. I just wanted to pop on real quick. Right now on Crafters TV, when I'm filming this video, there's a craft house, not Crafters House, and it's featuring a lot of Totally Tiffany products. And I thought it would be a good idea to show you how I use those in real life, because I know when I'm deciding to purchase something that's organizing, I like to know that it's going to work for the way I craft. So that's why I thought it would be helpful if I showed how I use my Totally Tiffany items. I have quite a few of them that are on the show, so I thought I would just show what I have, and then you can make an informed decision if you want to purchase that. So we're going to start off with the Desk Made Store and Clip Pods. Now I'm using mine a little different than what maybe you've seen when they show it. I have it sitting on my desk, on my instant desk. I'll back up a little bit so you can see. And it's perfect for the way that I craft because I have it clear over to the left. And I have my stamping mat in the back. And then my taller things in this one right here. As well as the, let me pull that out. That's my Spectrum Noir like things for doing with the color blend pencils and that kind of thing, my paper stumps, and that was just a little case that it came in. So what I decided to use mine for is I like to have my frame dies, whether they're the, fancy ones or, these back here, or the new ones, the intricate ones, and even my matte and layer dies. Sorry, I got to get used to doing this with. Okay, so the matte and layer dies, and I even have a few Create-A cards because they're more of like something I could use for a background when I'm creating a card. So I have a lot of those. I have my easel card dies. Definitely these. Anything that says elements is just that. It's a good element for to start a card, to have a base to work off of. So I have all of those. And then of course these simple Create-A card ones that we just had recently on shows. Those are great foundation pieces. And then I have some more elements that have like the frame borders and all of those, fancy ones. I like to group those together, because then when I need a foundation for a card, if I have like a sentiment that I want to throw on, I've got those at hand really quickly to use. And then I just decided to put, I've got, little gems and things like that I like to have handy for just that finishing touch on a card. And of course scissors and scoring tools and glue pen and, whatever else you need to keep at hand. Now I also have the what's the name of this? I'm drawing a blank. Anyway, you know what I mean. It's the workstation, the Totally Tiffany workstation. Sorry about that. I also have that, and you can see that that's got a not as wide a profile, like sticking out. So it's perfect for right in front of me, and I can keep those easy grip mats that are right there. And back here in these pockets that come with it, I have my 12 by 12 white cardstock, and then I have the other pastel cardstock that's 12 by 12 that came with the template library. They offered that at the same time. So I keep those handy because if I'm working with the template library, I want to have my big cardstock close to hand so I can just pull it out and use it. And then the pockets are perfect. I have my stamp cleaning station there, the solution there. These glues I use all the time, so I want those handy. My, foam squares and all of that kind of thing. There also are little pockets here that come with it that you could use for all kinds of things. And so there's extra scissors, and you know how we have all the tools, but it's nice to have a place to put them. My tape runners fit perfectly there. And of course this little pocket is handy for whatever you need, something little that you don't want it to get lost on your desk. So that's how I use the workstation and the clip and store pods. And then we're going to come over here to the bunny bags. And one of my very favorites, I'm going to start right here, is the Kirsten. Now I just have these labeled with Post-it tape, but like I take the sentiments from my Crafter's Companion collections and I keep them together because there's so many good sentiments and I forget that they have come in the collection. So I pull those out and I put them in there. Now I keep them, I'm gonna move this real quick. I keep them in their original packaging because for me, that makes it the easiest, because then I know that it does go with another collection, but I have the sentiments ready to go, because you know how the sentiments can go for like lots of different occasions. I have stamps and dies from other companies. I know that's about all I've got, is maybe this and another one, because my room is basically Crafter's Companion, but I have coffee theme because I am Java Jen after all. And so I keep all my coffee themed stamps and sentiments and dies. I keep that in one bag. I like to do envelope art. So I have another one labeled with envelope art and dies, mailing labels, and postal themes. And so that's perfect. I'm not sure what this one is called. This is not Kirsten. But I have it laying on its side, but I like to keep my bee theme products together. Now I do have the Be Beautiful collection all in a paper storage box, but these are just other, some from other brands and some from Crafter's Companion that are just standalone products. Those go in there. And then this is a Karen bag, and it's got my months of the year stamp and dies, the flowers, but it's perfect for that. As you can see, they all just fit really nicely in there. So that's the buddy bags, I think. Okay, and then I'm going to back up because I didn't orient my camera right, so I don't want to flip the video. The paper storage boxes that you can buy, I think there's 5 in a pack. These are perfect for collections. That's what I use them for, because I can write on the outside what the collection is, and I can easily retrieve it when I want to do something from that, or I remember that there's a paper that I like from that collection, or a, you know, a stamp or a die. So that's what I use the paper storage boxes for. And so there's more over there. Now when I run out of room and I need more shelf space, I am going to take my purple boxes from the subscription, and I'm going to use the paper storage pockets to put them in the paper storage boxes. I should be able to get 3, maybe 4 of the contents of the boxes into one of the white paper storage boxes. And that will give me more space up there. But I'm not going to do that till I absolutely have to, because I love looking at all the purple. Okay, there's more paper storage boxes there. I just really like the way it makes it easy for me to not have to open something to get a collection out. And I don't have to search. I literally just scan and find the one that I'm looking for. So that's just a quick thing to let you know how I've used some of those Totally Tiffany products. And hopefully that helps you make a decision if that will work for you. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.